about this?
That's a moose.
A moose? No, it's not a moose.
That's an elephant. That's a duck.
What the elephants say? Or what the cows say?
What's the cow? They say,
That's a fish. See, that's a fish here.
that's a fish?
Where's a tiger?
A tiger?
This is tiger there.
No, this is a lion.
So nice.
This is the tiger.
Tiger.
What the tiger say?
Roar. Okay, let's read the book.
Let's read a book.
That one. Where's that?
You tell me what this was that.
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue.
Very good.
Where's that?
I don't know.
Can't tell. I think it's gray.
What?
Where's yellow?
This is brown.
Parang brown.
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 Where's that?
That's the gray.
No, that's parade.
Where's the purple?
There's a purple there.
No. That's pink.
That's pink.
Hmm.
Oh, there! There's there.
What's that?
That's pink.
Ah.
Where's that?
Oh,
Oh God.
a horse.
No.
Oh, that's the horse. I want this. What's this?
A teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Where's the purple?
You sure don't find the purple.
That's pink.
Good.
That's it.
That's pink.
That's it.
That's the eye
Alligator.
Where's that?
You tell me. What's that?
A bird.
That's the duck.
Oh, that's a duck.
What the duck say?
Quack, quack. That's an elephant thing.
That's a, what's this? That's an elephant head.
It's just